What's up, everybody? What's up? What's up? What's up? It's Jacqueline Price here again, and I am coming to you with another video, another short video to show you how to earn 50% commissions on Facebook. Yes. How to, sh- I want to teach you how to earn 50% commissions on Facebook. So, guys, this is my Facebook page. Hope you can see me. I'll move that right. You can see this. So, what we're going to do is, I just want to make sure that you saw my Facebook page. I am a real person. I'm a work from home entrepreneur. I've been full time working from home since 2018. And it has been an amazing journey. I've had some ups and some downs. I had some failures and some successes. And I want to show you today how to earn 50% commissions from your Facebook page. So what we're going to do is what I'm doing is I'm using a platform called okay, wait a minute. I'm using a platform called, find the bookmark, Successful Solution Method. Okay, that's what I'm using. And so this particular platform, I'm just going to show you just a little bit back here of what you get when you join. And in order to check it out, I want you to go to www.profitwithjackie. www.profitwithjackie. I will post the link down below the video. So be sure, while I'm thinking about it, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the little bell so that you won't miss any of my amazing videos. Okay, so here we are. Welcome to SSM. So guys, when you get started, what I need for you to do, I need for you to make sure that you watch this quick start video. When you watch the quick start video, it's going to show you everything that you need to do to get set up with this amazing program where you will be earning 50% commissions. Okay? And so I want to show you the different packages. After you watch the video, you're going to get started like right here, you know, after you've chosen the package that you wanted to join with. So the bronze package, you get fail-proof traffic system, you get the webinar and the replays, you get the training and the replays. So all the training, which is what you're paying for. You're paying for training to be able to help you be able to level up in any business. This training back here that Amanda has put together is absolutely amazing. The bronze package is 125. The silver package, you get the social influencer series, custom digital postcard. The silver package is 325. The gold package is $500, and tells you more and more and more about video marketing. It's a video marketing, exactly, masterclass. You're going to learn so much about videos, how to do them, what to do, what not to do, all the little sneaky things that you can do to make your videos look absolutely amazing. The platinum package, you get high converting email vault, you get custom Facebook image ads, you get a 30-minute private coaching with the leaders, and the diamond package, oh, the platinum package is 1,000. The diamond package is 2,000. You get a traction marketing funnel. You get a done for you custom funnel. You get a done for you organic traffic setup, top level traffic package, and you get a 60-minute private coaching. That is some absolute value. And so on all these packages, you're going to earn 50% commissions, guys. 50% commissions. On the diamond package, you would, since it costs 2,000, you would earn 1,000 if somebody joined you on that level. On the platinum package, it's $1,000. So you would earn $500 if someone joined you on that package. On the gold level, it's 500, and you would earn $250 if someone joined you on that level. Okay. And on the silver package, it is $325. You would earn $150 on that package if someone joins you on that package. And the bronze package is $125. You would earn $50 on that particular package. And so I wanted to make sure that you understood the packages and what you get inside the packages and how you can earn 50% commissions just by getting started with this program and using your own Facebook page. So now I want to go, and I also want to show you the proof. You know, we always want to see the money part, right? We always want to see the money. Like, show me the money. Like, you're telling me that I can earn, Jackie, but can you show me where you are? I've been in this program just a few short months, and there it is right there, guys. I've already earned like $3,900, almost $4,000 with this amazing profile, with this amazing platform, excuse me, all from using my Facebook page. All from using my Facebook page. It's so easy. It's very newbie friendly. If you've never made any money online, I admonish you to take a look at this program and get started. Go to my website, www.profitwithjackie. You will be absolutely amazed. We have amazing support in the community. We have an amazing Facebook group. There's all kinds of proof in the group. Yes, you'll be surprised. No one in the industry is teaching these things. No one is teaching these things, how you can be successful, how you can build up your engagement, how you can do all these things and get paid for it. Get paid to do the things that you normally do every day. Use your Facebook profile to make money and support your family. Guys, this has been Jackie Price, and I appreciate every one of you for watching my video. Thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe, hit the little bell, and check out the link below, www.profitwithjackie.com. And I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much.